So hi guys, welcome back. And today we're going to discuss about the topic which I have chosen to talk about is point-to-point optical fiber communication system. So let's dive right into it. So introduction to point-to-point optical fiber communication. So what it is exactly? What it is? So point-to-point involves in transmitting data between two fixed locations using fiber optic cables. This method is known for its high bandwidth and low signal attenuation compared to traditional copper cables. It is widely used in telecommunication networks, data centers, and other applications require reliable data transfer. So basically, point-to-point optical fiber communication is basically the transfer of data from one place to another place using an optical fiber, and which it has an high bandwidth and which has a low signal attenuation. Attenuation is basically where less optical fiber loss has been found. And so let's move on to the next slide. Components of point-to-point system. So the primary components include transmitter, optical fiber, and receiver. The transmitter converts electric signals into optical signals using laser or light-emitting diodes. The receiver then converts the optical signal back into the electric signal for processing or display. And what are the types of optical fibers that we can find generally in our environment? There are two main types of optical fibers, single mode and multi-mode fibers. Single mode fibers have small core diameter and allow higher data rates over longer distance. Multi-mode fibers with large core diameters are more suited for shorter distance due to model dispersion. So basically, single mode is used between from countries to countries, like which is divided between oceans, and multimode fibers, which has a large core diameter, more suited for shorter range, is between from one particular area to another particular area. So yeah. So advantages of optical fiber communication. So what are the advantages? Optical fiber communications offer a high bandwidth capabilities compared to a copper system. It is less susceptible to EMF, interface, ensuring clear signal transmission. The lightweight and the compact nature of a cable make installation and maintenance easier. So basically, what are these optical fibers? Optical fibers are generally made out of glass, which is very cheap and easy to produce, and they are they have a very high bandwidth when transferring a data from a place to another place, and they are very lightweight and they are very easy to maintenance. If the optical fiber is destroyed, we can just get a new optical fiber and replace it with no cost. So, what are the limitation of optical fiber communication? Despite all these advantages, optical fiber communication can be more expensive to install than traditional methods. Fiber optic cables are fragile and can be damaged more easily than copper cables. Installation repair requires specialized skills and tools, potentially increasing cost and time. So basically, optical fibers communication can be more expensive to install because we have to lay all the optical fibers through one point of media to another, and they are very fragile. So basically it is made out of glass, so if you damage it a little bit, the data cannot be transferred from a place to another place. So these are the disadvantages, guys. As you can see, there are the graphs, I mean the differentiation between advantages and disadvantages. You can go through it. So, what are the application of point-to-point optical fiber communication? So, we have learned all this. So, what is a application in our daily life? So, basically, point-to-point optical fiber system are widely used in telecommunications for voice and data transmission. They are crucial in connecting data centers to servers, enabling fast and reliable data exchange. Other applications include video conferencing, medicine, and high definition video streaming. So basically, these video streamings, telemedicine, and high definition video and conferencing, they all use optical fiber, and enabling fast with smooth with no lag we have to use these optical fibers. So it is better than uh, wireless transmission of data from one point to another, where this is wired. And so, what are the future trends in optical fiber communication? Advance in technology are expected to increase the data capacity of optical fibers significantly. Research is ongoing into new materials designed to enhance fiber performance and reduce costs. The adoption of 5G and beyond will likely drive for further investment point-to-point optical fiber networks. So basically, we have got introduced to 5G. So because of 5G, point-to-point optical fiber networks will be way faster, and the data will just transfer in a second, and it is going to be seamless. So, what are the conclusion of this point-to-point optical fiber communication? So it basically plays a very vital role in modern communication infrastructure. Their advantages in speed, capacity, and reliability make them an attractive choice for many applications. As technology evolves, the importance and the capabilities of optical fiber communication will continue to expand. So the because of this, and everybody's using optical fibers because it has a better speed and the capacity to transfer huge amount of data in a matter of minutes is and reliability makes them very attractive. So, and they are very reliable, but the only disadvantage is they are made out of glass and they are very um, fragile. So this is it, guys. This is my presentation. Thank you for watching.